Mount Zwegabin is the tallest of the limestone mountains that surround Hpa An. Just 8 kilometers south of town, you will find a steep climb to the monastery at the top. The views from the bottom are great, but from the top you will have spectacular panoramic vistas. No matter how fit you are, this demanding climb to a respectable height of 725 meters in the burning sun will get you sweaty and tired. The trek starts at the west side of the mountain, where many Buddha statues are lined up in rows. Lumbini Garden is easily accessible by either taxi or motorbike. Once you have started, the ascent starts immediately. Endless stairs are awaiting you, and for the next few hours you will be sweating. A lot. The views along the way are stunning, so even if you wouldn't make it to the top, you will be able to enjoy some of the scenery. Take enough water or buy some at one of the many food and drink stalls along the way. Once you reach the summit, you will be rewarded with spectacular panoramic views over Hpa An and the surroundings. The huge golden stupa and monastery are still being used by monks, so be respectful and remove your shoes. Previously you were allowed to spend the night here, but recently they changed their minds and nowadays it's prohibited to stay here overnight. You can either choose to go back along the same way or walk the steeper and shorter section to the east side. Many aggressive monkeys are living in the forest near the monastery. They come very close, so make sure you don't open any food or drinks when they are nearby. The restaurant at the top serves some basic Burmese food, and I would recommend to finish your food here. The way back is probably even harder on the quads and knees, so save some of your energy for the descent. Enjoy your travels through Myanmar and subscribe to my channel.